Hello and welcome to another video. Yeah, it's Sunday, I have a bit of time left. I washed my car. Today I want to make this faded trim look a bit better. I mean, we're still in the winter, there's some traces of road salt here, some marring, doesn't look so good anymore. With this product right here, that I've had in my shed for a while, from Sonax I, we're gonna see what this looks like and how easy it is to apply. Here we go, los geht's. Got myself this pad and also use a towel. I find these pads very easy. And this stuff is a gel. It's rather thick, as you can see. And I'm going to apply, if you want to spread it around a bit, you can squeeze it like this and then it gets distributed nicely around the pad. And this we're going to put on this faded polycarbonate here. So just tap it a bit. And then start rubbing it. So yeah. And what I like, it immediately has this nice dark intense color. Not sure if it's the moisture and the wetness of the product, but you can really see, for example, here how it immediately revives the color of this polycarbonate. Sehr schön, very beautiful. And here, for example, you can see it in a bit of a distance. And here I have a piece which has already dried for quite some time. When the product dries, it starts looking like this. And as you can see, it's still nice and dark. Yeah, it's not just nice moisture that it creates, but it actually also has a nice dark tone that stays there. And I think it's going to be great when I do the whole car. So let's continue and I'll show you the final result later on. Sehr schön. And I mean, it's Sunday, it's nice weather, it's almost spring. Yeah, let me know if you do this too. I find it just a nice thing to do. It's very relaxing, it doesn't take a lot of time. But it's just one of those things and overlooked areas that don't get a lot of attention. Yeah, and I think that if you do this, let's say 2 times per year or something, you'll have really nice results and your car will look a lot better. Let me know if you do this too. Or what's your cleaning routine for these parts of your car. Very beautiful. And here's just a small tip for me. In these creases, you know, where it's slightly slanted, if you hold it flat you can't reach to there. So then just put your finger in, fold it a bit, and then you can also go into the crease and make sure it's nice and protected there too. It looks amazing. Sehr schön. I find it really nice. Also here, this area around the tires. Imagine you have these nice wheels, Renault wheels. You have Pirelli winter wheels, and then here it looks like crap. That's like totally unacceptable. So that's why also here, put, let's say 2 times per year, a bit of this plastic protector, polycarbonate. I said polycarbonate protector. I haven't had lunch yet. Polycarbonate protector. And then go like this. Sehr schön. Then after 15 minutes your car looks absolutely amazing and you have earned your schnitzel, your carbonade or your cordon bleu thanks to this polycarbonate kunststofgel. Sehr schön. So, we're all done with the Sonax Extreme kunststofgel. Yeah, that trim looks absolutely fantastic. It shines, it's black. You can see there, look how beautiful that looks in the sun. And as I've shown you, it dries up really nice to a matte black finish. Really nice if you have black and white accents like I have on my car. Super nice trim. And like faded scratches and scuffs and marks, they're all masked and gone because of this stuff. Here it is a little bit too thick. It looks a bit like the hair gel I had when I was a teenager. So now I don't have much hair left on my head, so I don't need it anymore. But look how beautiful this looks. Also here on the side, very nice. Very nice and black. And here underneath also. This I really need to brush a bit, this chrome there. A very beautiful trim everywhere. Also here on the tires. Very nice. And here in the front. And that's just one of these nice things you can do on a Sunday, you know. You just do this in 15 minutes. Your car looks fantastic. I like the product. I tried it once in the winter when it was too cold and then the gel was too hard and wasn't a lot of fun. Now I let it stay at room temperature and now it went very easy. I really like it. I highly recommend you doing something like this. I have deserved my schnitzel And I hope you have a fantastic Sunday with nice shiny cars and beautiful trim lines like this one. See you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen!